Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server without invite in 2022. It's very simple and easy. Open up Discord app, then tap on home page here, and then you will see my server, and under server you will see a green button plus icon here. Just tap on this green button. Now open up pop-up menu, then at the bottom tap on join a server, it's the last option, and here we should enter like me https://discord.gg/ and for example I want to enter cheese, and then here you should enter just name of server and then tap on join server, and here you will see open up this server, his members online, and then tap on just accept invite, and here we will see welcome to and name of this server. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.